G'day, welcome back to another video. In this video I'll be unboxing this Tamiya Blitzer Beetle 2011, which is naturally a re-release of the first Blitzer Beetle. Anyway, since I want to get on with the build, we'll get on to the unboxing. But first I'll give you a quick look around the box. There we go. As you can tell on the box, it looks like a pretty cool looking beast. Nice and colourful at least. But I get the impression it'll be a fun thing to drive. So I'm thinking I'll put brushless in it. Just, you know, a bit more grunt, get the wheels in the air and all of that. Alrighty, we'll crack it open and have a look. Now, first off, I've got some plastic parts. What is that? If I can see it. D parts. It's got our bumper and looks like a rear bumper there. So I'll move that away. And we've got our E parts. Suspension arms and things. I'll lay all these out at the end so you can, you know, have a better look at them. I'll get them out of the bags and stuff. And there's our gearbox parts, our A parts. And what do we got here? Look like battery retainers or body mounts. Body mounts they are. End parts. And we've got some gears. Fantastic. Gonna need them. And our beautiful fluoro wheels. Don't they look pretty? And of course, can't have wheels without tyres, so we've got our front and rear tyres there. Very nice, nice pin spikes on there. And we've got our chrome parts. Look to be a Q part there for the headlights. And we've got our nose cone for the body. Fluoro again, like the wheels. We'll go for this one. What do we got here? We've got our uprights and stuff in there. That's our C parts. And we've got a chassis. Now, I know these are like the Falcon chassis. I hope they're not still too weak in the front, because I want to run brushless in this. Anyway, so that's our chassis. And we've got a big bag of bits here. I'll leave that for a bit later. We've got our TBL E02S speed controller. Pretty standard by now. And we've got our body. I'll get that out. There we go. Well, looks very nice. Comes black. That's a good thing if you don't want to paint it, but I will paint it black anyway. Just so it's got a bit more shine on it and so on. Grab this one. That's our bulkheads and stuff. That's our B parts. And we got some part of the instructions. It's a important information concerning this kit. Okie dokie. Over there. Now we've got our windows and our light lenses. Fantastic. That's our L parts. And we've got our driver. No Tamiya model would be complete without a driver. P parts. And our sunroof on there. And of course we've got the manual down the bottom. We'll have a look at the decals first, hiding behind there. And they're all nice and pretty. Very bright. and we've got to cut those out. They're not pre-cut. That's alright, not a big problem. And there's our manual. And as you can see, standard, all pretty standard in there. Screw this in here and stick that on there. Pour a bit of oil in there. All that stuff. Fantastic. Now I'll open this one up. This has got a bit of stuff in it. And we've got our Mabuchi RS540 motor. I'm probably not going to use that though. I think I'll be going brushless with this one. And here we've got some V parts, pistons and things for the shocks, and some spring adjuster collars, things like that. And there's another one of those. And what do we got here? We've got our A parts. So we've got some plastic bearings in there, which I won't be using. I'll use ball bearings. And we've got some axles and a bit of grease and our wrench. And a few other bits and pieces. There's some metal gears in there and so on. Alrighty, and I'll grab B first. We'll do it in order, why not? So there's our B parts. Got our steering uprights and some ball connectors there. A few cable ties. We've got our screws for the suspension arms, because they're like two-piece and you screw them together. Yeah, fantastic. And we've got some C parts, so that's mainly for our shocks. And we've still got more plastic bearings in there, but we've got our springs and oil for the shocks and the wheel nuts and so on. And again for the shocks, two more parts. We've got some W parts. We've got some W parts there and some Y parts. So I'm thinking, yeah, they're a bit shorter, so they'll be the fronts, I'm guessing, and the rears. So yeah, I'll lay most of this out of the bag so you can have a good look at it. Let's do it. And that's it, the 2011 Tamiya Blitzer Beetle. So if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, subscribe, that'd be awesome. And I'll go and get on with the build and hopefully have the build video out in the next couple of days. See you later.